Yo, what up, YouTube? I just got a quick question about card materials. First of all, do you know like where you like what the big team bags are called on eBay, and how I know if they're the big ones that that you can cover magnetics with and stuff like that. And also I'm just gonna for the whole top loader size things, like the whole points. You think you guys could tell me which size of points would correspond to which card? Like 200 points goes to a sweet spot card. Like 100 points goes to a jersey card, or something like that. You guys could tell me that, because I just want to. I'm running low on supplies. I just want to buy a huge bunch of stuff on eBay with that, and I just want to know I don't want to buy the wrong kind of stuff. So my friend, who was actually used to be part of this channel, bought like 200 packs of like the wrong size top loader, so he's just stuck with them all. Yeah, it's pretty funny. But if you guys could let me know about that, awesome. Just an update. I bought a lot of basketball cards, like really like high end, with patches and autographs, a bunch of patch autographs. I might keep some of the cards. I bought them in case. I might keep some of the cards I need for my PC, but the rest I think I'm gonna make sick mystery packs with. I might do like 16, 17 bucks a pack, but you're guaranteed a patch autograph. And some of them are pretty sick, and I actually looked on eBay, and they actually sell pretty well. And the patch autograph won't even be the big hit. The big hit will be something else, so they'll be great value. So next Saturday I might be on Blog TV, so I will keep making updates as the week goes on about that. And yeah, that's been it. So if you guys could just let me know about those supplies, because I want to have them in by next weekend to make the packs. So that'd be awesome. I'd really appreciate it. And also, shout out to Breaks R Us. I got a free pack because I made a video response. So thanks a lot, man. I really, really appreciate that. It's really generous of you. And am I forgetting anything? And RBI Crew, I got your package ready to go. So just let me know when you send payment. And that is about it. Alright, guys. Thanks. Peace.